Hey, good morning, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful evening last night. Good to see you back from my last live stream. We're going to have an amazing trading day today. Why? Because every day we do that. The PPI numbers just came out. Markets rocked. Let's head over to the MOJO chat room, say hello to the team, and we'll check out what's going on. Yes, sir. Check this out, guys. We had a nice big move on the futures just now. The PPI numbers came out, and yeah, it did really crazy move. Right now it went up on the futures, and yeah, that was the last trade. So we have, I'm live streaming in the room. We got Hasm in the house, some OG pro traders. This is my OG's 5 years relationship with the Moj on subscription to get that. What's up, Alistar, Brandon, JC Dave, Mr. Mar, Mr. Reed, Mr. Ramey? What's going on? All right, let's head over to the main screen and check out the action in the market. See what's going on. All righty, so we have the big pop here in the futures. They went up, so the futures made a big red bar. Choo, big red bar. And yeah, that's where we're at right now. So I'm going to do some scalping right now on the NASDAQ futures. And pick my spot. So it went to a high of 47.08. So the trend was this way. Now the trend's this way. So we'll just play the in-between. If you want to come over to the MOJO Day Trading Room, there's a link below in the description. You guys can do that. Free pass. Streaming on Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, all them places. You just check it out, see if it's working there like that. Yeah, I'm live, but it's not showing the, that was 3 days ago. 46.09, 46.7. All right, I am live there. That's cool. 46.15. Should have got it off 07 right there for the dip. Should have got it right off 07 on that dip right there. That was my stopping station. I missed that trade because I was seeing if I was live on the live stream. That was a good one. And we'll catch the next one right here, like right up in the 30 range. It's right at 11.7. Put one down here. Put one up here. All right, I got 2 lots. Got 3 lots. Just go right here in that area. So one of them, put another one down here. What is it, 46.40? We're just going to play it in this little boxy area right here. And we're getting filled a little all over the place. Let's try one right there. One left. And I am copy trading today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, they're all set up. And we'll take it off the table there, close. Let's wait for a little move here. Everyone was waiting for the PPI number. Look at this AMAN. I've been watching it go up all morning. Look at this one. Started at 50 cents. Now it's at $1.04. AMAN. Ambrx Biopharma. It's traded 7.3 million shares already in the pre-market. You want to see what else is hot and not? Let's check it out. All right, so we got some actives right here. We got the BXRX. It's been a high of 730, traded 3.2 million in the pre-market. Look at the daily on these. And it's coming out of a base. This is the pattern nowadays that's going to be working. Excuse me. And let's take a look at the next one. MRIN up 2 days in a row. Look at this one. See, same pattern, base breakout, guys, to a huge. This is a lot of my swing picks have the same pattern right now. Ready for my day. Each one of these will have a big, big day in my swing newsletter. Definitely check those out. MRIN, CLRO. Let's look at the end of the dailies. Good. Let's see if the same pattern on CLRO. That one's already breaking out. Clear one. Was that communications? China JoJo is CJJG. Look, China JoJo. Even that one's moving. Damn. EM. Smart Share Global. NRBO. Neurobo Pharmaceuticals. Ooh, base breakout right here. See? This one may go up nicely, and it's right at $2. Already went to 250 this morning. There's DocuSign, Duo, STKH, Acer. Acer's rocking a couple days in a row right now too. ENSC, Incise Bio, RXT, 345, and none of those make me happy. All right, we'll see what my room comes in with when they come in. Let's check out the SQQ. 46.34 now. Just jumped off 18. I watched it. Went to 47.08 from 44.40. QQQ's 282.35. Okay, a little insignificant number. I think we head back down. I'm going to go long right here. I think we head back in the 20s. Head back over 11,700. Ooh, big number just came in at 34. Damn, look at that. 679. He didn't even want to get a rebate. He's just buying the offer. Cross market. He's still there. Look at him. EdgeX, that's like Ameritrade wants to get filled on an order. Some order must have come in. So I only got 3. See what he gets out of the way. Let me put one here just to break even. It's really shimmying and shaking. I'll put one down here. One right there in the middle. There's 4. Put 2 of them right there to get out of 2 of them. I really don't like it here. This size right there at 43. See it? I got 6. 8. We'll go to 10 and then we'll break even on half. 10. It's breaking even on half right there. Ooh, popped right back down. They only broke me even on one. It's very volatile. Hey, good morning. Real volatile move right now happening in the it's not letting me break. Here we go. I broke even on half. There we go. Nice. Flurried right in my favor. So again, welcome. Who is that? Mr. Larson that was just talking, right? Hey, I haven't seen you. How's it going, bud?
So I was feeling the market makers would like that way you teach where they make that pool way below us.
Yeah, yeah.
So I think that way now.
Yeah.
So I use that volume to go hunt for that pool.
And where are you looking for, where are you looking at for those pools on what kind of platform?
Well, if on the dome.
On the dome. Gotcha.
There's if you can put like we have the P&L column.
Yep.
We can put a volume column.
Let me check it out.
So yeah, go to columns and then click volume.
Yep.
And then over there where it says type and it says standard, change that to buy sell. And then wait, go back in there. All right, click on volume, and then where it says up down, click up. Down there where it says remove up and down, no, just right there where go back over to volume. Now go down, there you go.
Move it up.
Yep. And then click apply and okay. So now the volume's all right. Now just like in an Excel spreadsheet, widen that column. Yes, sir. Actually, yeah, if you can widen all of it up a little bit because you'll see the bars better.
Gotcha.
And now when you click in the middle of the price ladder on the dome, like you're trying to pause it.
Yeah.
And scroll way down or up, and you'll find where
the big size. Yeah,
right now,
I see that.
There's no volume, so the market's not moving.
Right.
Because there's no volume. But what I did this morning is I clicked and I went way down the bottom, and there was huge buy volume bars.
Mm-hmm.
Almost down at the bottom where that big red wick is, and I placed an order way down there. Mike, the candle hadn't even appeared. It just went order filled, and there was a huge green candle. I closed it, and then it shot right back.
So you got filled, and then you were like sickly up a lot of money and stuff.
I was like, holy shit!
That's amazing, man.
But yeah, I go extreme to both sides and find where that like how you taught us in those videos. There's that pool of money that they're trying to get everybody filling those buys, and then they just they drop it down to there, and then they take it up.
Awesome.
So
yeah, so
that's what I'm doing. When the
how long
have
you been with Mojo Day Trading? See, people think you've probably been with me a really long time.
I think maybe 3 weeks now.
3 weeks. And what do you think of your experience with Mojo Day Trading and the futures program compared? Because you've been trading. People don't know you, and you've been trading a long time. So if you could give them your experience.
Yeah, it's like the missing piece of the puzzle with me, because I've been trading quite a long time, and I've got a particular strategy that I've incorporated Mike's strategy with, and it's the helpful pieces of the missing puzzle of like finding those pools. How
long have you been trading for? How many years?
Like eight years.
And you
I've had,
and
you know,
you've been in a
finding,
lot of day trade and chat rooms before this one, correct?
yeah, that and you know, I do my own thing, and a big part of it too is I was risking my own fun. And you know, when times are fantastic, that's okay. But then you know, a year like this year, um, where you've taken a, you know, me personally took a lot of loss and having to regroup, and then just finding someone that has the experience with the paid capital, you know, Apex, for
Yeah,
example,
with the firms,
um,
yes.
that is using it, knows how to use it. I can trust it because it's someone that's got experience and is getting paid from that. That was my fear of hearing about these brokers is,
Hmm.
were they really real? And you know, finding Mike and finding Mojo really helped build my confidence on that side of it. So uh,
And
2023 is going to be an
yes,
amazing year.
yeah, there was a guy right here on my Twitter last night. He's like, I follow this one guy. His name is Nobody ETH. We we were in the same community for Sketchy Ape Book Club. And
Yeah.
he did a poll last night. He said, right here, look, he's going to give away for New Year's. This guy's worth he's the largest whale of NFTs out there. And he likes everything I tweet with him. He'll like it back to me, which I like, you know?
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it really is awesome. He's the number one whale. And for free, he's going to give away a D-Ape wife, right? A
Wow.
desperate ape wife. He's giving away an apocalyptic ape, and he's giving away a sketchy just for, and he says post a New Year's wish, and as soon
Wow.
as I posted, he liked it. See the like? I'll
Yeah.
show you.
That's awesome.
There's one person liked it right here, and that's him.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so that's cool. And I wrote 2022 was fine, but 2023 is mine.
No, that's not, that's, I like that.
Yeah.
I'll have to write that one down.
That's my so if it was like on originality and coolness, I should have already won a Desperate Ape Wife on that one.
Oh
Yes,
man,
sir.
that'd be fantastic when we get the market back up.
Yep.
Mike,
Hey,
one tip on
yeah,
if
go
you're
ahead.
using, if you're going to use that volume, make that column much wider
Gotcha.
because it will really
Yeah, I see like down here there's a lot of congestion, a lot of
yeah.
action right in here, so that's probably what,
Yeah,
yeah, right
so
up here it's
that's what I've
very
been
thin.
doing is I
Yeah.
go and I find where that volume
Yeah.
is, and then that's where I concentrate.
Bookmap has a similar, let me open up my Bookmap and see it in Bookmap too.
Hi, Mike. Good morning.
Hey, Delta Bravo, good morning. So let's open up Bookmap. So this is the Rhythmic data feed that I have right in from Rhythmic, right in here on the Nazi. And you could
Right.
see right here the same kind of thing building up. This is the
Yeah.
order book and the range. Ooh, look, we got a
Yeah.
big red bar happening. So yeah, so you could see right there. Look at that big red, man. Dang.
Right.
So you could see we're at 11,600 right now. You know, that's the Heinz number. Look, we have like a gap between right here and right here. Oh,
Yeah.
11,700. It's a 100-point range right there.
That's right.
Damn, that's a 100-point range.
That's
Big.
insane.
It's insane. All
They're
right.
they're setting something up for when that at 10 o'clock.
At 10.
That we got the it's the Michigan, what is this? The Michigan Consumer Report in an hour and 6 minutes. So we'll probably see a spike.
I'm just treading lightly. I'm at
Yeah.
126. I don't really, it's Friday. I just want to count it as
No.
another good day, you know? Let me just
Yeah.
rearrange this right here.
I think I'm.
So when did you start? You 3 weeks ago. What are you at? You've been averaging like you're trading the micros with me, and you've been averaging like a couple $1,000s a day, man.
Yeah. You know, and I used to trade straight NAS 100 and big moves, and that, I mean, I'm so glad I found you with the macros because, like you say, a be
Especially with the ES, it's okay because it's a little bit tighter with a lot more volume at each level, and it doesn't like jump 10 and down 10 like the NASDAQ does. So yeah.
Well, to give you an example, that one red candle that we had this morning, right? If you were in the wrong direction on that candle, NAS 100, that would blow you up.
It would have blew your account.
It would have blew your
account. I've done it. I've already done that a couple of times.
Thousands.
I already would have done that.
You would have either blown yourself up or your account would have blown out.
See what Paul did and was I was going to do, but I would have blown an account to do it. I'm more talented, so I don't have to do that. You could have taken 2 eval accounts, one for 5 lots long, one for 5 lots short. One of them would have busted, one of them would have passed.
What I was thinking too this morning is if you had 2 accounts separate and you found the volume on the buy and you took the volume on the buy on one account, and then you took the volume of the up high where it actually sold on the other account, you took that volume, so they weren't connected. I was trying to think through my head how I could do that.
We could have done that this morning and taken with a stop loss of like $200. So I don't know if it would have stopped you out or it would have went right through it and not stopped you out.
It was that candle was so darn fast. It was less because I'm trading. I'm watching the 30-second chart. So that candle was green and red within that 30 seconds.
I had to walk away. I had to walk away, dude. I had to go away from the whole room and get out of the room, go into the bathroom and get away from the computer.
I did.
I didn't want to be around.
I'm not even looking at the chart. I'm waiting until 10 o'clock.
Yeah. I was like, don't bust out on Friday in a PPI and then you're going to be over the weekend saying, what did I do again? Why did I trade the PPI? Why didn't I wait? There's so much action, Yeah. Well, and then I'm happy booking right here like 126, and then I do that, and then all of a sudden I go down like 1,800. I'm like, what? That's not good.
Well, the thing, you've got those copied right there too. So that's 100 plus multiple times. So that's that, and for most people, well, actually for everybody, you could walk away today and that'd be a great day. If you did that every single day for 20 days out of the month.
Oh, on the copy trader with this small accounts, that's a winning system right there, big time.
You could easily trade yourself $80, $100 very comfortably on multiple of accounts and be making 16, 20 grand a month.
Yep.
And it's not hard to do $80, $100 with this MOJO Hines strategy.
Yeah, easy.
That you could do that in a trade or 2 trades and be.
Yeah, look how thin it is up here on the volume.
Yeah, there's no reason to be taking trades right now. The market's just not. It's not moving.
Oh, it's right up here. There's about 7 at 45 and 50. There's a whole wave up there.
Yep, that's where you want to. That's the areas you defined right there.
Yeah.
But the wider, well, it's probably hard to see because those bars are just not that big. But play with it. The wider you make that column, the more you'll find the bigger volume bar. Yeah, that's what I do right there. So now my dome is almost 3/4 of my screen. And what you could do is because the P&L, all I do for the P&L is make that P&L thin. Like if you click the column for the P&L.
Yeah.
And make that one thin so you can just see if you're red or green. And then make the volume bar wide.
All right. Well, there's a big number at 90 right there. You see it? The 103.
Yep.
Let's see him get filled. He got filled. See him? He got filled. See, that's what I look at, dude.
Yeah.
86, 80. It should slow down now. Maybe reverse back up. I'm going to do a launch right here.
So you just went long on SQQQ.
Yep.
All right, I'll be back.
See if it moves back towards 46. Otherwise, it'll bounce off 77. Yeah, it is moving back a little bit. Let's take one down here. That was a good bounce. Out. That was a good trade. I'm going to average right there on 2 little lotties. Maybe if I move this here and lower and wider. I can come up to
I like what you're doing. You're putting it right there at the
I can even make it
level
wider.
2. That's smart.
Nice.
Nice.
I wonder if you can adjust the size of these indicators on the volume. Let's look.
I'm trying to figure out how to, because if you click on those volume bars, it actually gives you the number, but it stays black until you click on the
Visible
until you
show
actually put
volume
your
text. Volume by display volume percent. Okay, use trading hours.
Mike, when you come out of there, put your cursor actually on a volume bar, and you'll see the numbers pop up. Like I think it's the order numbers.
Right there, yep, look at that. We got the
Oh
order
shit! How
numbers in
did you
there.
do that?
So what I did was in the column right here, there's a show volume text and visible.
Oh, okay, I got. Let me go do that. I've been trying to do that for a couple days.
And now you could see the
Let me do that. I'll be
size in
back.
there, yeah? Pick out
Yeah.
the
So that right there
the
is
large
that's the
3-digit one. So let me scroll up, and then you could see where the big size is. Let me get it off auto
yeah.
center.
Now is that the same as level 2 numbers?
Yep, that would be the same thing that's on the book map. These same kind of columns. All this data is being transmitted in there into a heat map, which is right here. That's what it looks like. Right
All right,
there.
I'll be back. Let me go do that on mine.
Very cool. Look at that, guys. My ninja's like wild looking. And what is this volume? Oh, that's blue. What is this blue volume? Oh, there's 2 volumes in there. So let me get this one off. Remove. Apply. Okay. There we go. How about if I move the column up, apply, okay, and shrink the P&L column, and then move the column back down and see if it's small. It is. Cool. Let me just shrink this now. No, it's not really working. Yeah. All right. Yeah, it makes the P. There we go. I like it just like that. What do we got? Rising up 4608. Let's take for a drop down. Let's go on the bid. It's so wide now. Let's go auto center. There it is. Bid. Wow, yeah, they're so big. Let's put one down here. It's too wide for me. I gotta pull it in tighter. I'm used to trading it like this, seeing the numbers tight. Column, profit, and we're gonna move it up. Ooh, nice close. Good trade. What am I at? 156. Cool. Yes, sir. Let's see what I got on YouTube. Hey, on YouTube. Good GM. Good morning. Happy holiday trading. GM. Hello, Twitch. Streaming on Facebook. Hello, Facebook. Instagram. Hello. Twitter. Hello. YouTube. Hello. Yes, sir. 156. Oh, but it's not. It's 1, 2. It's almost 1,000. Yes, sir. I got to make this a different, darker green. Go from chartreuse to darker green. Green. Oh yeah, that's better. Look at that. That's not. I could see the numbers. Look, 388. 5. Look, there's a 556 right there. Now you could see like big numbers. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. What's up, Jesse? Coming on in the Mojo room. Oh, let's go, baby. Right back under 46. Oh, I like my new screen, baby. Look at that. I got to see more of the level too. You know what I'm saying? I got to see more of the level too. This is the way it's got to be for me. Ooh, look at that big swing. I was just going to take a profit. Yes, sir. My columns are all messed up. $180 now. My columns are all messed up. Should have held a little bit of that one, huh?
Mike, we got what I'm doing. I'm looking. We got market open coming in by about a little less than 20 minutes, about a little more than 20 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm clicking on my dome to pause it, and I'm scrolling farther down. And if you go farther down, you'll start seeing a lot of big buy orders. What I think are big buy orders.
What level?
Bigger.
What level?
Let me go look. 1 second. Like 11,709, 11,708.
Right at 700, yeah.
11,707. You're getting in like 200s.
Gotcha. Let me scroll down there and take a look. Yeah, there's a big at 451 down there at 707. See the number 07 stopping station? Isn't it crazy, dude? How it works?
Yeah.
I know, dude. The numbers I researched and came up with really work.
They
So,
really do.
yeah, so this 24
Yeah,
is insignificant. It's
there's
probably
our
move up till
pool.
30. Yeah, it's probably going to move up till 30.
Oh, down at 7.
Yeah, right. See it right there. 575 at 1750, 18. Bouncy off 18 right there. See the
Look at
575.
11,696.50. It's 240, 249. 11,696.5.
Yeah, I see him. You could see that little finger sticking out on that little chart. There's another one at 07. And there's a lot in here. Big size in here. At 714, 15. We were at 44.40 this morning, guys. Now we went to 47.08. We're at 46.12. Really can't draw any kind of like lines yet. We're in like a sideways kind of pattern. But I am at 180. I like that. Not a lot. Kids are a late start for ice and snow. I'm just on for a bit to see if I can pull out a few bucks. Yes, you can. Absolutely. That's what we do, Jesse, because you got the skills to do that now, partner. Hey, Pro Trader MM in the room. What's going on? Another good day in the Mojo room. We're rising. 46.20. The top of this bar was 47. That's insignificant. It's these bars. 46.45, 46.50, 40. It gets above that. Watch out. This 46.50 range. Right there, 46.49. See it? Deadly. They'll crush out. And this bottom range is 45.85, which is stopping station right there. 45.77 to 82, right on the bottom of those bars right here. So what's this red bar? 82, 83. That's it. So we're right. We're gonna probably go burn everybody up there in that 50, and then come back. Little power move up there. Look at this. We'll dip a little first. It's right at 11,700. I'll take 2 little longs right here for a quick drop down. Then it's going to come back up towards 30. Not much. I want to add a couple more. It's going to go to 30. That's 30. Yes. Let's put 1 or 2 right there. And then now she'll dip down the other way. 8. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4 of them right there. There's 4. Told you. We'll get these 5 done. 3 left. 1, 2. Get over $200 right there. And now we're done for the day. And now it's going to flip back the other way. So let's just close that. That was 226 across the board right there. I went from 126 to 226. Yes, sir. See how easy you make money with the Mojo and the team, guys? You all can do that. Every single person can do that. Make money. Every person can do that with the Mojo team, what I just did right there. You trade firm capital. You risk none of your own money. You trade with me and the team in the room. 30 minutes, you're done for the day. You make more in one trading day than you do probably all week at your regular job or all day working 10 times as many hours. So guys, listen, click below, get involved, send me a message. I'll help you out. Peace. Keep it profitable. Back to trading. Boom, boom. Yes, sir. Boom, boom. Yes, sir. Boom, boom. There's 38. I'm going in again. Right here. Told you it was going to move to 50. But it's an orderly kind of situation, guys. You know what I'm saying? Let's go one here, one here, one here, one here. Ooh, I'm getting filled. Let's hold those two, baby. What am I at? What am I at? Ooh, I'm at 227. 3 lots left. Let's get out of one lot right there. Chink. Let's get out of another lot right there. Yes, sir. 250 across the board right now. When do I have enough? When do I have it? 33, 32, 31, 30. Up, close it. Going back up. I'm at 267 now, guys. That's how it's done across the board. Larson's doing it with me too in the Mojo room. So is Hasma, Jesse, MM, all my team. Oh, look, YCBD is the Patrick Reed stock for CBD. He's the
caught the up.
Did you? Nice.
Yeah, you know how we were saying those volumes were down there. That's what I took.
Nice. YCBD, that's a CBD stock. Patrick Reed, the golfer, is involved with that one. He's like a spokes guy for it. I know Patrick Reed, the golfer. That was a nice move, guys. From 40 back down to 20. Mojo called it perfectly. It's got a little ceiling there at 65. See it? The 465 right there and the 421. A lot of headway up there. Market opens in a couple mins. I'm thinking I should switch account now and just keep myself at 267 and just go for my next. That's what I'm thinking. Funded next week on a couple of new firms and accounts. I'm pretty excited. $258, similar to me, Mr. Larson. I opened up. I'm ready for my next one right here. What are we at? 46, 18, 19, 20. Huh?
When you have a second, I got a question. Are you say if you had 5 orders opened up, are you able to take 1 or 2 orders off and profit and leave the others running? And if so, how do you do that with the don't?
All right. So you want say that you had 5 orders out and you only got filled on how many? Say that again.
Well, let's say you had 5 orders running.
Running.
And you wanted to take profit on 2 of them. Are you able to close just 2 and let 3 run?
Sure,
with the
absolutely, yeah.
How do you do that?
But because you have it set on quantity of 1, so you just go on the ask or the bid and get rid of wherever you want at whatever level and click it once.
Okay.
It'll get rid of 1 of them.
All right. I don't have I'll have to I don't have those buttons on my dome. I'll go set that up. Yeah. Thank you.
Back down to 14. Went from 40 to 14. That last trade was a goodie. Yeah, but you always good to always say that after the fact, you know? Oh, I should have stayed in. That was, just keep on doing the same thing on each one, guys. 40, 50 bucks pop on these little micros. Pff, that's like $400 on the regulars, man. So when you do, and your account does get huge, and you eventually maybe switch one day to NQ, you'll be taking profits in the same zones at $100 each time. 200 bucks.
Mike, that's probably one big tip that I'm really utilizing is I take that impulse and I get out. I'm not trying to let that run because
Your impulse works.
yeah, just keep doing that throughout the day, and by the end of the day, you're gonna be surprised how much you stack up.
Yep, you do that very, very well. You keep on growing and growing and growing. It's pretty amazing what you've been able to do in the last week or so. What are we at? 46.17. Let's head over to the room. I got my Trading Bull shirt on, and let's check out what some of the trades he's done here. He's up 258 right now, but let's search his name. Old. It's not coming up. Let me just scroll back a little bit. I'll show you. Larson right here, $3,529. It was yesterday by 11:35. And the day before, 3,124, $6,000 in 2 days. Yes, sir. That's great, great, great. Great, great, great trading. I got some Amazon I held overnight. From 88, it's 89. It's a good buy right here. Down $1 and change. Came
Thanks,
out in
sir.
news last night. Oh yeah. Came out in news last night. We got 40. I think I'd do a reverse onto 46. There was a big ceiling right there. Here we go. 46.46. Let me put a line here. That's 45.99. That's right at 46 bucks. Right there. And then this one is down here at 45.83. NUWE swing pick of mine went by this morning. NUWE. 13 cents. Oh, I missed my Twitter. Darn. It ended the morning momentum. Damn, I missed my Twitter space. New Ellis is up 7.9% at 13 cents. Keep an eye on, look at the daily chart on, it's going to pop. Keep an eye on New Ellis. Let's check out Bookmap. Bookmap's got a lot of size right in here. Nothing up in here above 1600. Very.
Mike, can you take a look at 11,709, 709.25? On the volume bar, we're at like 300.
Yeah, it starts again right there, as you could see. See at 11,700, this line going across.
Yeah.
And then all this up here starts at 11,707. There's nothing underneath it.
No.
That's probably where it gapped this morning. From there all the way down to there.
Yep.
So there's a lot of resistance right here at 11.6. See this red right here?
Right, right.
All this 575, 365 on the VP.
Yep.
Yeah. But like I said, you know, people try to look at these charts and be, oh, look, it's got a cup and handle. It's going to go higher. It's going to do this. It's going to do that. Wrong, people. Let me show you exactly. There's three things in trading. There's a scalper, which this bar is a certain amount of money. This bar is a certain amount of money. I traded this bar for money, and I traded this bar for money. That's a scalper. Okay. A day trader would be like, I'm going to go in here, I'm going to enter out here, and I trade a lot differently like that. It's over a longer period of time during the day. And if I'm going to buy here and I'm going to hold overnight the next day, that's a swing trader. Scalper, day trader, and swing trader. Each one of these bars is a certain amount of money. I don't know what it's going to give me or how long it's going to be, but I'm going to make a certain amount of money in that bar. That's what I'm going to do. And I've already done it. You see, and we've already done it in the Mojo room tremendously. So what's the next bar going to give me, guys? Let's see. Shall we? I love Amazon through 89. See the 625? We want to add some shares, add 200 shares there like that. Love Amazon through 89. Okay? So right there on the demo, getting to 1,000. You want to buy options on this sucker today. Okay? Let's go. Buy them call options. What do we got? 46.22. Head back to the 1 minute. There we go. Let's see what the 2 minute looks like. And we'll go back to the 1. $26.27, 4 minutes to the open. It's like, ooh, 8:30's coming, the big move. It already happened. What do we got? 46.25. So today I'm expecting the rise is up. I'm going to get long. It's going to go back down. NQ is going to go higher. That's my game plan today. That move this morning ain't tricking me or doing anything tricky for the Moj. Busy day for me on Friday here today. I got a doctor's appointment, catching up on some errands. Gonna be like one of those. Book map's looking good, guys. Trading on the book map. I got a link below in the description if you guys want to use the book map. Must tool for artificial intelligence, heat mapping, level 2 business for all your stocks and futures. Yes, sir. 27, 28, 29. We're moving higher above this bar. 32 and 32 twice. It's going to go test 32. I'm going to wait.
Mike, for Bookmap, you have to pay subscription for Bookmap and then fees for data. Is that correct?
No, I think there's a subscription price and the data is included in those fees. So it's like a $99 a month and you get, oh yeah, but then if there's other data that you want on top of it, there may be some add-ons. Let me take a look. We're too close to the open, but yeah, there's add-ons that they have. You can like buy the package and stuff. All right, we're going 46.15, 13. We're going lower. My long, I should have went long right there, right? Big green bar up. Big green bar we just had. I should have went. Look at that. Big green happening. I have Keltner channels. You see that, Larson, on my chart? These lines that go over. I like that. It's called the Keltner channel.
Yeah, I'm using regression channels.
Mm-hmm.
I use them on on a minute and 30-second chart looking 100 candles back. And then what I've done is I lined up 3 of them. So I've got deviation 2, 3, and 4. And when it gets into the deviation to the top, but I like that channel.
How many monitors you got?
I'm right now I'm using 1 monitor.
That's it? You doing all that with 1 monitor? Everything?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you need
I've been doing it for
monitor.
a while, so it's like I try to keep my charts pretty simple.
Yeah, on this screen I have my live stream I'm doing. My middle screen I have the DOS Trader platform and my Ninja that I'm trading on the DOM. And my right, the third screen on the right, I have the Discord.
Man. Yeah, I'm gonna add.
I'd like to have 3 more screens up top just for charts running, looking, you know, just for data running and stuff, so I can just glance instead of changing and clicking. It's running right there. But hey, eventually, maybe for 2023, we'll see how it goes. We'll get paid a couple of times from the prop firms. That's my plan. Start building up the capital. All right, here we go. We're open. 07, 06, 05, under 46. That's the trend for today, down. So we'll wait for the next big rise up. The high's only 46.14, but we know it's 47 and change. Low's 46.01, high's 14. 14-point spread on SQQ. There's the down drop. Dow's down 58, comp's down 35, QQQ is 283.11, headed right under 283. Then we'll play it back into the Hines, and that thing will drop. So that's what we're going to do. We'll get ready on the bid. Let it rise, and then drop under 46. There's under 46. Come on. There we go. There we go. Told you. And out. Great trade. Great first trade. How much? 1850 on 1 lot. Pretty cool. Wait for the next one. What's up, Crypto Steve? Does Apex have max 30-day on trial? What? Has the max 30? I don't understand your question. In. I'm right with it still. I got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Should turn here. Here we go. I got 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I'm filled. Up $300. I was. Should have just closed the fucking position instead of trying to scale out right there like that. And back in 20. It's got to reverse here. I lost. Stopped me out. Damn. All right, that's why I got the stops in there, guys. That's why I got the stops. Got to do a little quick adjustment, and I'll be right back on. Adjust it up for another 300. And I should be back on in 1 second. Missed it too. Fuck. Hate when that happens. Larson did good. I got fucking stopped out. Had it. Next. If I didn't have such a tight stop in my, that goes to show me in my rhythmic, guys, I would have been able to stay in that trade. It stopped me out. Being cautious. What you gonna do? It's what you have to do.
Mike, I gotta say, setting that stop in rhythmic, that was a awesome tip.
Yeah.
Big time, because that really forces you not to settle down, not to revenge trade, and you can really calm and collect yourself and whether walk away or you actually have to go through the steps to get back in. That,
To
I mean,
get
I
back in.
really like that.
Yes, sir. It's such a game changer. The last trade was a great one. Boom. When it's moving this fast, I got to learn to close it when I'm up so much. Man, that sucks. It went to 70 and reversed on me like that.
There's some big volume here at 709 to sell.
Yeah, I'm going to get out. I think it's going to rise again. Damn, that last one was so good. I had it at 70, dudes. I got stopped out. Larson made 877. I think I lost. I think it went past. I was set at 500. It took me more than that when it stopped me because it was moving so fast. Making another move. I only got 3. Got 8. Coming out slow on these. 3, 2, 1 left. Beautiful last trade. Beauty. I'm out. That last one was a beaut. I went from 220, 267 to 244. Look at the size right there on that Dom, right there on that guy. Right there, see him? That 1144 right there. You see him? See if they come fill him. $45.93. That thing was $46.70, dudes, and I got stopped out. Larson's at $11.90 for the day. Great job, Larson. I gotta log
Thank you,
into
Mike.
yeah, I gotta log
I
into
tell you what,
Rhythmic.
the little couple pieces of the puzzle you've added to my system is really elevated. Thank you.
Man, that last one dropped a whole point. It's very fast. I'm expecting the Dow to go green and the NASDAQ to go green and this thing to go lower. Remember, it was at 44 and change this morning.
We got to keep in mind, we got that news coming here at 10 o'clock. So there could be a good chance for a spike.
Damn, I was just going to go long at like right at 46. I'll wait. Actually give me a chance to update my my Rhythmic. And I'll log off of that one. I did good on that one. See if we Heinz 46. Damn, I was gonna go. I want to go right here, right where we go. Go over. All right, I'm in. It's only one lot. This way it flushes. I make a quick 1150. There we go. just for doing nothing, thinking about it. 1150. Dow's up down 40. Comp's down 25. QQQ's 283.20. TQQ's 21.15. Insignificant. It's probably going to move to 19. Send this one a little lower. 83 is the low. Bitcoin's doing really nice. 17,250 on Bitcoin, I think it was. Bitcoin 17,150. Ethereum's 1273, heading into 1300. There's the Heinz. I'm in. I got 5. I ain't marrying this thing at all. Don't like it at all. Hold on a second. I got to answer this call. Alrighty, back in order. And we're dropping. Oh, we're down 65 now, actually. We should be rising up on that. And then a good opportunity for a drop down. I'm in. Great. There's a big rise. I only got 5. I only got 8. Came out of half of them at $100. Now I got good control on this thing. I got 2 left. Beauty. Look at that thing. It just went by, dude. A big number right there. That was a big trade. Look at that one. Let's close it. Beauty. That's a nice one. Oh, yes, sir. We're live all over the place. Trading in the Mojo room. Look at that, Mr. Larson, 1109 Mojo copy trading, cranking up the profits, trading the NASDAQ futures on Friday. Big moves happening. This is how we do it. Come on aboard, join the team. There we go. Video for the weekend I'll post. Da, 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 da. All right, what do we got? 46, 4604. We're going to drop back down. Let's go. Pink, long, pink, long, pink, long. 20. Cranking it out. All right, let me fix my my rhythmic. I gotta log off and log back in. When you log into Rhythmic, I'm going to change this up to got to put in the right license key, guys, when you're switching firms. Larson, 1300. Nice job. All right, I'm logged back in. I can fix this baby now. Let's make back the loss that I did from before. What are we at? 45.50. Nice. Reverse back the other way. Told you we were going green, guys. Look at that, huh? Comps up 8. Look at that, guys. What a call by Mojo.
Nice.
Yeah, boy.
Protect it. We got market news in 15 minutes.
Nice. There we go. Cranking back some trades. That was a great call by Mojo. What a great call. What a great call by Mojo. The Dow just went from red to green. Mojo nailed those red bars down. Profiting in the Mojo room. That's what we do. Join along. Anybody could do this with the Mojo. Trade Firm Capital. Inquire below. Direct message me for more information. Peace.
You just nailed it.
There you go. That's a good vid. All right. I got 2 little vids to send out now. My TikTok. I'm going to try TikTok. 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 So we're down 29 now, dudes. We were green just a second ago. You know what I want to do? I want to get long. Well, I got 6. Let's take 2 right off there and 2 down here. I got 2 down there, figures. 80? What are you kidding me?
Mike,
What?
thank you so much. I'll be back.
Peace.
I really appreciate everything.
Go tell a friend. Break in half. I try to break even on half. They didn't give it to me. There we go. And broke even on half. Move so fast, right? Rise, Captain, rise. All right, I see red, I'm going to buy. I see green, I'm going to take profits. This is the account I'm grinding back from the loss. Log back in, fixed it. Going to grind. When you master trade, mastery is when you take a loss back to a gain. Boom. Little by little. Little by little. It's 9:45. Little by little. Subscribe to my channel, guys, so when I go live, I get notified. And also give me a thumbs up if you watch this, so YouTube will recommend it to other people. That's how it works. Help me grow my channel. What are we at? 77, 80, 81. Move back into 46 a little bit here, but I don't think so. The big swings enable you to make really nice moves. Spread it out like that. $89. Gonna go through 46, told you. Now reverse, please. And come out of this one in a little bit of the red. See, that was a great move, Mojo. Great move. Maybe not. I was just going to close it, but I didn't. That's a good comeback right there. $400. Yes, sir. What a great trade. I needed that one. What a great bar I nailed there, dudes. Woohoo! I'm almost green. Closed. What a great trade. Yes, sir.
That is so awesome. So much awesome. It couldn't be awesomer. Do yourself a favor. Press it again.
All right.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Awesome. Truly awesome.
All right. Let's do it again. It rose a little more than I wanted to that time, though. It went to 22. It went to 22. Do it again. Is it going right up to me and not taking me? Can you believe that? It took me. Man, does this thing jump or what? Look at it, it's back to 20. Back to 22. Please slam it back down. Thank you. Phew, I didn't like that one at all. Didn't like that one at all. That was almost in a breakout range right there. Let me pull this thing down. That was at 46.23. See? Let it break out and then come back the other way. least I'm in it first and not getting caught catching up with it. Dow's down 96, comps down 40. Whoa. Whoa, really? Last one was a good one too again. Boom. Another good one. Another good one for the Moj. Man, does this thing bounce, huh? Hold on a second. Hello? OMG, guys, something's going on. Look, and I just nailed a big one. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at that big dip down. Crazy, right? I'm doing it again right here. Oh boy. Look at this one again. I am green on the day, boys. Yes, sir. What a move, Mojo. I am green on the day. That was the sickest. Wow. Closed. I am green, dude. I made it all back. Craziest move ever. Rise back up again, dude. Go. So you can dump ass again. Wow. What a great trade. Out. Yes, sir. Woohoo. Gotta love it, baby. Amazing. Love it. My dog came over. He got so happy. I got so happy. He's licking me. All right, back in again. Look at that first trade market, right in the market. Wow. Stop, buddy. Oh, it's not even taking my order. I'm green. Can't believe it. Now I got to open up the rhythmic and go back in and change the setting back to the other. I could do it after. I'll make a note. Yes, sir. Big, big moves. What's up, Ramey? OG Ramey in the room. That was a big move, guys. Dow's down 56, comp's down 6. That thing's dropping. 50. I should have stayed in that last one a little longer. It's okay, though. $45, $42 is the low. We had 58, 59. I'm going to bounce here. Larson 1600, really? Wow. Amazing. Good job, Larson. $1,647 for Mr. Larson today. Nice. All right, guys, great day on the Mojo Day Trading Show. Thank you for joining me. Thanks for joining me on the Mojo Day Trading Show with the trading action today. It was super fantastic, fabulous. If you ever want to trade with me, my contact information is below. I'm all over social media. Love to trade with you, help you along. Peace, keep it profitable. Have a great weekend. Later. Pro Trader Mike out.